Hello friends, Judicial exam is in your mind? Do you aim to become a judicial officer or a public prosecutor? You are suffering from the time-consuming traveling to join the preparatory classes? Your doubts and queries on the subject are not getting satisfied, and you are frustrated of such inefficient lectures. You or your parents cannot afford costly outstation living expenses. Costly coaching classes are cutting your pocket and you are not in a position to pay costly coaching fees? Hey, here is a solution for you. Now study online from your home or office and join live online coaching classes. Get live lectures from the proficient and experienced faculty. Get an edge to the other aspirants and be a winner. Join India's best online coaching classes for all state judicial services and prosecution officers examinations. Sign up now with www.judicialcompetitiontimes.in.